Another big story today about Poland after Russia sent drones into the NATO territory. Please tell us about that.
Yeah, that's right, Veronica. That did in fact happen overnight. Russian drones entering Poland airspace. They had to be shot down out of the sky. In fact, Polish and Dutch fighter jets from NATO scrambling to intercept drones. Peace tonight nowhere to be found.
Poland says several Russian drones entered its territory overnight, describing the incursion as an act of aggression.
Odnotowano pierwsze naruszenie przestrzeni powietrznej.
Polish Prime Minister Donald Tusk told Parliament they recorded 19 violations and that Russia has declared war on the entire free world. Trying to bring about peace, President Donald Trump, who a few weeks ago met with Russia's Vladimir Putin in Alaska, takes to Truth Social this morning asking, what's with Russia violating Poland's airspace with drones? Here we go. Russia said it did not target Poland, and Poland said some of the drones came from Belarus, a close ally of Moscow. The president of the EU Commission denounces Russia.
And just today we have seen a reckless and unprecedented violation of Poland and Europe's airspace by more than 10 Russian Shahid drones. Europe stands in full solidarity with Poland.
Drones or parts of drones were found in 8 locations in Poland. A house was hit in a village near the Ukrainian border. The NATO Secretary General points the blame at the Russian president.
To Putin, my message is clear. Stop the war in Ukraine. Stop the escalating war, which he is now basically mounting on innocent civilians and civilian infrastructure. Stop violating Allied airspace and know that we stand ready. That we are vigilant and that we will defend every inch of NATO territory.
Polish airspace has been violated many times since Russia's invasion of Ukraine, but never on this scale. Democratic House Leader Hakeem Jeffries says America needs to stand with Poland.
At what point will Donald Trump come to the conclusion that Vladimir Putin is not a friend of the United States? He's not a friend of Western democracy. He's not a friend of the NATO alliance or the free world. He's an enemy.
Now tonight, the incursion and NATO response have raised fears the war in Ukraine could spill over as Russia steps up its attacks. At the White House, Owen Jensen, EWTN News Nightly.